won't cut again. It's work time.
So what are you doing there?
I'm working on this alien body. It says the alien body was stored onto the ground, so somebody buried it when they shot it.
It was shot? Ooh.
Oh, I might have been you. It's over there. It looks like a man who has a beard, with the cape on, and the alien is in it says the man saw the alien ship, and the accident we saw an alien come out, then the alien tried to kill him, but he shot him.
Is that what you're reading on your computer? Oh, okay.
She doesn't really have a computer. She's just screaming.
She's working hard.
I'm not